Hey guys, I hope you're doing great wherever you are. Today I'm gonna do another fantastic Somali expressions. And it's very important, and these are the ones you use every day. If you know this, you know quarter of Somali language. I'm just joking. So let's start common Somali expressions. Today we're gonna do common Somali expressions. That means wherever you see or meet Somalians or Somalis, you just can speak to them. These is the basics, and it's very important. Once you know this, you know Allah. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna read. And this side, by the way, is Somali, and the other side is English. Okay. Now I'll do this side and then do the other side. Okay. Okay. Let's start the first one. In Somali we say "Waan ka xumahay." Waan ka xumahay. In English it means I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Number two is iga rali ahaw. Iga rali ahaw. It means excuse me. That's what we use on the polite, isn't it? Okay. Ma i caawin kartaa? It's a question. Ma i caawin kartaa? Means can you help me? Mahadsanid. Mahadsanid. Thank you. Adiga mudan means you are welcome. You are welcome. So let's do the other way around so some English speakers people might understand. Okay. In English in this side, Somali on the other side. Okay. To say I'm sorry in Somali, we say waan ka xumahay. Waan ka xumahay. Make sure, you guys, if you're new to the Somali language, you need to be aware that we have double vowels, single vowels, and whenever you use it makes it change the meaning of the words. Okay, it's very very important. Keep in mind. Okay, you can follow me the way I'm pronouncing. Okay, I am sorry in English. In Somali, waan ka xumahay. Waan ka xumahay. Excuse me. Iga rali ahaw. Iga rali ahaw. Okay, can you help me? Ma i caawin kartaa? Ma i caawin kartaa? Ma caawin kartaa? Thank you. Mahadsanid. Mahadsanid. You are welcome means adiga mudan. Adiga mudan. You know, when someone speaks like your own language is easy, isn't it? Like adiga mudan is, but if you're new to the language, adiga mudan. G that has to come out. Okay, I'm gonna say one more time, guys, and I hope this is going to be very useful for you. And make sure you subscribe and hit the like button and put the bell. Next, whenever I upload videos, you might find it very useful. I'm going to be more, or leave the description. If any word you're struggling how to pronounce, please let me know. There's so many people who came back to me and they were very happy and very useful. So, description below, drop it. Any comments, any words, any sentences you might find difficulty, I will be happy to clarify. Okay, so in Somali we say "waan ka xumahay," means I am sorry. Iga rali ahaw. Excuse me. Ma i caawin kartaa? Can you help me? Mahadsanid. Mahadsanid. Thank you. Adiga mudan. You are welcome. So I'm going to mention again, as I said earlier, we have long vowel, short vowel. I made two videos all about vowels. I'm going to leave in the description below. You can find in my playlist in Somali language. You find it there. It's very useful if you watch it. So guys, I leave with you. This is one of the best and one of the common one in Somali expressions. And at the end, give a big thumbs up. I need the subscribe button. Is it on the left or on the right? It's you decided.